Zermax M is Burbank Dental Laboratories' proprietary brand of monolithic zirconia. Zermax M is an all-ceramic crown that is both aesthetic and durable enough to be a great alternative to PFMs and gold restorations. Zermax M monolithic zirconia is a full zirconia restoration that is resistant to cracking and chipping in conditions where layered porcelains are vulnerable. It is stronger than porcelain fused to substructures like metal or ceramic core restorations. With 850 MPa flexural strength, Zermax M more than meets the strength requirements in posterior dentistry. Zermax M is stronger than steel, making it exceptionally durable, but it is also gentle to the opposing dentition. In fact, it is kinder than any porcelain veneered ceramic restoration. Because of outstanding strength, Zermax M can be placed with either conventional cement or bonded. Zermax M may be used in all applications that PFM would be used, crowns or bridges. In addition to being durable, Zermax M is very aesthetic as well, by having 25% more translucency than other full zirconia restorations and internal and surface gradient color. We at Burbank Dental Laboratory wanted to offer a product that had a competitive price point. Zermax restorations are ideal for your patients that demand aesthetics and durability, but are on a budget. For more information, please visit us at www.burbankdental.com or call us at 1-800-336-3053.